Today I will guide you how to fix can't add audio to Instagram Reels. So the first thing first, you need to open the Instagram first. To solve your issue, you need to first log out and log in again. In order to log out of your account, you need to tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on three line icon at the top right corner of the screen and scroll down. Here is the option of logout and logout all accounts. Simply you can tap on logout and log out this account and again log in to your this existing account. Once you have done this first step, you can easily fix your issues. But if this is not working, you need to tap and hold this application, and here is the trash icon. That means you need to tap on it, and here you can simply tap on uninstall and again reinstall it by uninstalling it first. Doing these two steps, you can easily fix your issues of can't add audio to Instagram Reels. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit the like button, comment if you have any queries, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.